Hi, and welcome back to Plastic Models by a Regular Dude and part number 2 of the Tamiya 1/48 scale IL-2 Shturmovik. In our last episode, I got construction completed with the exception of the parts that will be affixed after paint, of which I accidentally started last time with the lower color. So, for that color underneath, I used Tamiya XF23. And as I mentioned in the last video, I know nothing about Soviet aircraft. So if that color, XF23, is not exactly right, well, we can blame it on Tamiya because they're the ones that told me to use it. And that's what I did. So we're ready to move on to the upper colors, and for those I will be using Tamiya as well. And the first color I'm going to lay down is going to be the lighter color, which is a combination of XF52 Flat Earth and XF59 Desert Yellow. 5 parts Flat Earth, 1 part Desert Yellow. So I'm going to get some of that mixed up and I'm going to start painting it, and probably when I come back I will probably have all of the upper surfaces painted because I've been getting into this and I keep forgetting to actually you know, let people know what I'm doing. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. Get cracking on these colors and I'll come back. Alright, so I've got the paint done, top and bottom. Got some weird sheen things going on here underneath for some reason, and I'm not sure why, but I'm pretty sure flat coat will fix that. But what I need to do now is I need to do the decals. And if you'll remember, I'm doing scheme B with this cool little forest arrow thing on it. So when I come back, there'll be decals. Alright, so you can see here that I have the decals on, and the rockets and bombs, put the wheels on, the tail wheel, and I've done the weathering. So I got kind of carried away and didn't video any of that stuff, but you've seen it before, I've seen it 1,000 times. But I will tell you this, this is what I used to do my weathering. For the upper surfaces, I use dark brown wash for green vehicles, Ammo by MIG enamel wash. I use Panaline wash, deep gray, for the lower surfaces. Then for just general weathering, dirt, soot, stuff like that, I used Abteilung 502 oils, black, light mud, dark mud. I didn't get too crazy with shipping or any of that kind of stuff. I just kind of dirtied it up a bit. So now what I need to do is put these little parts on, like the antenna mast. I need to put the exhaust on, do a little bit of work on that. The gun and the mount, the rear gunner's canopy, and the prop, and the pitot tube, and the ammo belt, and this little thing that goes in front of the cockpit there. So let's work on that a little bit, and then we should be able to wrap this thing up. Alright, so all those little parts have been glued on, all the tape's been taken off, the glass, and the only thing left to do is the aerial wire from here to there and to there. So I'm going to do that off camera, and I'm going to end this video right here. So with that, thanks for watching this part, whether it's part number 2 or part number 3, I don't know, of the Tamiya 1/48 scale IL-2 Shturmovik. So stay tuned, and next time I will do my final thoughts on the kit and a quick slideshow. So as always, thanks for watching Plastic Models by a Regular Dude, and adios amigos.